How to get the shocked mutation in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about getting the shocked mutation in Grow a Garden on Roblox. So to do that, you need to first wait for a thunderstorm. So the shocked mutation only happens during thunderstorms. You will see a lightning every 4 to 5 seconds and the weather icon will show a cloud with lightning. Thunderstorms usually last until 1 minute after the seed shop restocks, which is every 5 minutes. So use a lightning rod to attract more lightning. Buy a lightning rod from a gear shop, 100,000 shekels, and lightning rods make lightning strike your crops more often, improving your chances of getting the shocked mutation. So each lightning rod can be used 3 times before it breaks. Also plant the bright crops. Use crops like tomatoes and blueberries because they can be harvested multiple times. Plant these crops near the lightning rod so that they get struck by lightning more easily. So the shock mutation gives you 50 times more earnings, and you can combine with the other mutations like wet or gold for even bigger profits. Shock crops glow with a neon light and have electric sparks, so they're easy to spot. Thunderstorms don't happen often, so be patient. It might take a while to get the shocked mutation. So by using these tips and tutorials, you can increase your chances of getting shocked crops and earnings more in Grow a Garden. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.